The crime volume compared to 2017 vis-a-vis the 2018, an average of 22% reduction in the crime volume. And there's also a survey, the people feel safer now. So I think this is a good indicator that some of the PNP performance has really proven to be effective and provided public safety as a general.
Congratulations kung ganun yung mga figures, pero ako kasi naniniwala ko na one life lost is a lost life too many. So, kung pwede po sana, tuloy-tuloy lang. Pero ako narinig na training sa sinabi niyo sa equipment sana pati training ng ating mga tao, expose them to better detective work or crime solving work in other countries, invite reputable police institutions of other countries. Suggestions na po yun, Mr. Secretary. But thank you for answering my question.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Kasama
Mr.
po.
Chairman.
Thank you, Senator Coco. Senator Rizal Tiveros.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.